In this film, we will outline the areas you need to think of when it comes to health and safety and show you that health and safety need not be confusing. An introduction to health and safety. If you saw a child in any of these situations, would you stop them before anything happened? Yes, of course you would. Whether or not the child was anything to do with you, you wouldn't let them put themselves into a dangerous situation. This is the most important thing to remember when considering health and safety. Don't allow yourself to be put in a dangerous situation. When it comes to health and safety, you may only get one chance. Health and safety is not something to be scared of. It is not just a term thought up by employers to confuse workers. It is a government legislation that aims to ensure that the workforce is safe. There are guidelines that employers have to follow. However, it is also your responsibility. The Health and Safety at Work Act 1974 states, "It shall be the duty of every employee while at work to take reasonable care for the health and safety of himself and of other persons who may be affected by his acts or omissions at work." This means that you have to think about health and safety and not just leave it to your designated health and safety officer. This film will give you a good understanding of the areas you have to consider when thinking about health and safety. These include fire safety, workplace safety, personal protective equipment, PPE, and control of substances hazardous to health, COSH. Workplace safety. If you follow these golden rules, you'll be less likely to be injured or to suffer illness at work. Work tidy. In order to keep yourself safe and working efficiently, you need to keep your workspace clean and tidy. Working in an untidy manner or workplace is stressful and frustrating, not to mention inefficient. Get training. One of the ways of reducing accidents in the workplace is training. You will be instructed in the safe use of equipment, machinery, and safe working practices. Be familiar with your workplace. You should be familiar with your workplace and the task or jobs you have to carry out. It is essential to know where the fire exits, call points, and fire extinguishers are located. Read the labels. Before using any product, always read the label for instructions and directions for its safe use,